Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to remove the Woocommerce placeholder image and replace it with one of your own images. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so for this tutorial I will be using one of my own sites as a reference page while I guide you through this tutorial. So let's start by finding a product that doesn't have any product image. So let's go to category perfume. And as we can see, this product doesn't have any product image. That's why Woocommerce is showing the default placeholder image. And this is the image that we want to replace with our own image. Okay, so how do we do that? So first of all, you need to go to dashboard. And from the dashboard, you want to upload your new image. So let's go to media, library. And from here, we need to upload that image. So let's go to add new, select file. And let's find, I think I have it right here. There it is. You click it. And you upload. And on this left corner, it will be uploaded. And now when the image is finished uploading, you click the image. And from this view, you need to look up on the URL in the left corner. And we need those numbers at the end because that's the image ID. So if you mark them, right click, copy. And from here, you close this window and you go to Woocommerce settings. And from the settings, on the settings page, you go to products. And from this page, you scroll down a little bit, and here you see placeholder image. This is where you paste in the ID. So we delete this one, and we Control V, you paste that one in there. And then you click Save. So what we have done now, we have uploaded our own image as default Woocommerce placeholder image. Now let's see if it worked. If we go back to the page, let's see if I go to my page, just to show you guys. We go here, we go back to perfumes. I click perfumes. There it is. The default image has been replaced. So if we click it and just see if it's all, yeah, there is, same thing there. So that's how that was done. If you did find this video helpful and you want to learn more about Woocommerce and WordPress, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, you turn on notifications, and stay safe.